Hello friends, today I'm going to illustrate to you how to use the matrix multiplication. In fact, how is it actually used in the industry? Let us take the example of a car industry. Just for illustration, I'm going to take Toyota, okay, because I know that Toyota has got three different plants with manufacturing cars. One is in Kyoto, Osaka, and Hamura. So these are three different places where cars are manufactured, and assume that we take three different models, say Yaris, Corolla, and Camry. Uh, Assume that the Toyota factory makes 12 cars per day, Corolla 10 cars per day, and this doesn't make any cars at all, so zero cars. Osaka makes a small factory, so only 4 Yaris cars a day, 4 Corolla cars, and 20 Camry cars. I don't know why this line is coming, but it's irritating. Okay, anyway, 20 cars. And this one makes 8 cars, say, 9 cars, and 12 cars. These are just for illustration purposes. So the whole thing can be put in the form of a matrix, this information. Now also note that we have another matrix in which gives us the profit per car. The profit per car is taken, say, in two different months. We have one is, say, for January and February. So in the first month, say the profit per car, this is 1000, this is 2000 for the three different models, and this is 1500. So we can see that the profit per Yaris is 1000. I'll point it out for you here. A profit per Corolla is 2000, and profit per Camry is 1500. That is for January. Assume that they change the price or whatever, and the profit margins are now different. Say this is 500 for February, so it's crashed, the price is crashed down due to sales or something like that, due to special offers, they want to cut down. So the profit per car, maybe you can also have, they can also have a wage increase. That is also possible. Suppose they increase the wages, then naturally the profit will fall down. Okay, so we have these two matrices. Let us see how to multiply them. I have now explained, I have now expressed this in the form of two matrices. Just for you to recollect, this is car manufactured in Kyoto, Osaka, Hamura, and these are the models: Yaris, let me point out, Yaris, Corolla, Camry, and this is the profit in January and profit in February. Now I'm going to multiply these two matrices. First of all, let's recollect. The first matrix has got 3 rows and 2 columns, and the second one has got 3 rows and 3 columns, and the second one has got 3 rows and 2 columns. As you can see, it is multipliable, and the product we would expect it to be a 3 into 2 matrix. Now I've already explained how to do it. That is the R1 C1 model. R1 multiplied with C1. So that will come here, R1 C1. Then comes R1 C2, R2 C1, R2 C2, R3 C1, R3 C2. So now I'm going to show you how to multiply it, not by the usual method, but using a TI-84 calculator. So from the calculator, I'm getting these numbers: 32,000, 18,000, 42,000, 26,800, 44,000, 26,800. Now what do these numbers actually indicate? Let us see the first number. This indicates the January collection. from the Kyoto plant, and this gives the February collection from the Kyoto plant. The second number indicates the January collection from Osaka plant, and this is from the February from Osaka plant, and this is from the Hamura plant, this is from the Hamura plant. Now when you add all these numbers, this gives the total collection. So in this video, you could see how the Excel worksheet actually works, how when you multiply two matrices, you get different numbers and the interpretations of these various numbers. Hello friends, I wish to explain to you now how to multiply two matrices using the TI-84 calculator. This is TI-84 Plus Silver Edition. It's a good calculator, and in this I go to the metrics. For that I press the second button and then this blue button. It says metrics very clearly, so second and metrics. So this menu opens out. In this we want to edit matrix A because I want to enter the data for A. So I go to edit and then press enter. So it opens out. Now recollect that A is a 3 into 3 matrix. So I put 3 and then go enter and then 3 again. So this is a 3 into 3 matrix. As you can see, it opens out. Now I just need to enter the data. The data is 12. If you 12, check the data, 10 and then 0, and we go to the next one, that is 4 and 20, then 8, 9 and 12. So this data is now stored as matrix A. I'll tell you now how to store the information for matrix B. So now that we have both the matrices here, let us see how to handle this. So I have here matrix A. So matrix A, let me put this A, and then I put the multiplication sign, and then I go to matrix B. So that would be B here, and just press enter, and as you can see I have the entire list. That means 32,000. Remember this is what I'm going to copy. Let's continue with that now.